Hey there, Dr. Stephen here. No, I haven't found any artifacts, haven't found any manuscripts or anything. Actually, this is not an anthropological dig in the Middle East. This is a little tiny sandbox for my grandkids in my backyard. But this week, we're going to be, one of the readings is in the Understanding Scripture book, where we're going to be looking at archaeological evidence for the Bible. And it can weigh you down a little bit. Some of you are going to absolutely love it and just grab onto it. Others of you are going to be starting to read it and go, oh, this is a lot of detail and a lot of places I've never heard of. Don't worry about it. You're not going to be tested on minutia or remembering places. Don't worry about any of that. But I just want you to get, again, an overview of how incredibly reliable the Bible really is. So, if you want to go in there and start digging and finding out stuff, I think that's great. At least you can kind of gloss over it and get a general sense of it. I remember when I was just a child growing up in Los Angeles, my buddy and I, he was actually our senior pastor's son. He and I were good friends, and he was at our house, and we were digging. We were probably about 9 or maybe thereabouts, and we had dug this huge hole, and suddenly we heard this clink, and we thought we had found it. We thought it was some kind of ancient treasure box, and it was going to be filled with all kinds of antiquities and gold. And we started hitting it and clanging on it and cleaning it up, only to find it was this large, sort of a terracotta type or porcelain type pipe with the logo of the County of Los Angeles sewer department on it, and we had almost ruptured the sewer line. Needless to say, when my dad got home, he was not very happy with our archaeological endeavors, and we had to immediately fill in the hole. But I still enjoy considering those kinds of things, and I love reading about how amazing the reliability of the Scripture is, even when we look at archaeology. So there's that. There's going to be 2 questions. Of course, you're continuing to read in Glenn Powell's book. And the only video I want you to watch this week is my video about how to write a final paper. And so you can start thinking about that. At the end of this week, week 5, your second reflection paper will be due. So you can turn that in, and it's on the book that your first reflection paper was not on. And everybody just did a great job. There's a couple of you that didn't turn it in yet. I'm asking you, please turn it in. And I just want everyone to succeed in this class. So I'll see you guys in the discussion threads.